Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the monthly time frame chart of gold. Now gold has broken to the upward with a high range month, and the month that is still going on. How and the highest uh, month range, this is an upward trend, and this was the level that has been broken to the upward. Now let us move to the weekly time frame to understand it more. What a, this week is very high range week, but one thing is more noticeable: whenever gold goes for a high range week, then the upper levels are not broken too early. Watch here, this was a high range week, then this week went up, same way this week broke to the upward, next week came down, and then the third week broke that level to the upward. So as there this is a high move to the upward, so it is expected that this level won't be broken too early. Now let me put the horizontal line somewhere at this level. This is showing two. There are some differences in different brokers, but this is 2009. Okay, and here all the weeks, just 1 week, the upper week above 2000 level, all the other weeks are broken. Now what is expected? Now let us move to the daily time frame for watching this. On the daily time frame, what is happening here? This was the previous high on that. Now let me show you. This is very important thing that I wanted to share with you. Watch here. This was the level that was retested, broke this up, this high and this high, just one day. The next day went to the up level, was uh, pushed down for the retest here. After retesting this support, it went up. Now from here, what is, let me show you currently the level. Let me put the horizontal line on this current level. From here, now previous day was downward. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frames and 1-hour time frame also. Now in the 4-hour time frame, here it was the consolidation, came down, went up, again retested this level, broke the 4-hour. Now these 4 hours have been broken to the downward, and it is a high probability that it will come to retest some level, then will go upward, because in the 4-hour time frame now gold is in downtrend. Though it looks like that there are multiple 4-hour levels. Let me put the, for example, here is the 4-hour level, 1964. Maybe it could come to this level, but let us move to the 1-hour time frame also. What is happening there. In the 1 hour time frame, this is downward. The gold is downward in 1 hour time frame and as well as 4 hour time frame. And the 4 hour level is broken. But this is the 4 hour support and also the 1 hour support. But I am expecting that maybe first in the first 2 hours we'll retest somewhere here, then we'll come down to either this level, or let us move to the daily time frame for a very important this level. What level? This previous high up to this week. Now let me move it to this level. This is high probability that this level will be retested for two reasons, that this level is retested but this is not. The went down from here. And second thing, that this is also the support of these 2 days. So daily support is here. This is retested, but this has been given a super base for upward move. So it is expected that it will come down, and though this is also the daily support here, but it will go down deep around this level. This is 1940, and now there are two aspects. Maybe it go to 1949 up to this wick, or just the above wick. Most probably it will penetrate and go up to this inside the wick, and the upper level of the wick is quite high, 1958. I don't think so. Here is my analysis that gold is expected to retest 1950. And now how it looks like on 4 hour time frame. Let us move. On the 4 hour time frame, this is the level. Now 1950. Either 1950, when we watch this on 4 hour time frame, then it could also, no, 1950, I think it is exactly, because it has now what 1950, but because these levels I expect to be broken. Now it is high probability that the gold will come back to the 1950, and I don't think that in the next week the upper level will be broken. I don't think so. Now the gold in the week, in the coming week, by tomorrow, will remain between these two levels, to 1950 to 2003 in different days, and these days are expected to be low range days now, because it has a quite higher moves. Now it is expected that it will come into 1 or 2 days, maybe retest this level, and to the between these 5 days maybe can come down to here and then go back to this level. And in the next month, maybe, or some days remain here, because when this level will be broken, the previous high, though it happens also in currency pairs, but it is common in gold. Whenever a previous high is broken, it moves with it gives us it goes far, because if the 2009 is broken, then it won't come back to retest earlier. It was expected to go. Now let us move to the weekly time frame to show you. If this level will be broken, then it is high probability that it will go too high. Too high means that let us move to the daily time frame, because here only there is wick in the previous up move. What here? Now these are the levels. What a lovely watch here. It has come from this wick. Now when this will be broken, we will have to move to the 4 hour time frame to watch. Okay, right now I'm not going to watch that level, but these are the scenarios that is in my mind, because now in the 1 hour time frame the gold is coming downward, and it is high probability that this level 1950 will be retested, because watch this. So this is the my analysis that I wanted to share with you. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.